Hi, I'm Oliver and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle.
So the car in question today is this 2021 on a 71 plate Audi RS3 Saloon Launch Edition 400 PS S-tronic in the optional Python yellow metallic paintwork. Now I'm sure you'll agree, this vehicle looks absolutely stunning in this paintwork. It makes it really stand out and provides a lovely contrast against those lovely red brake calipers. The famous 400 PS 2.5 5-cylinder engine can propel this vehicle from 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. And in terms of service history, this vehicle had its pre-delivery inspection on the 25th of October 2021 and will have its used car multi-point check and any servicing that needs doing before the vehicle is presented to you. Privacy glass means that rear occupants are well protected from the sun. It also means that any items you have in the back are well hidden from view. And these lovely 19-inch 5 Y-spoke and matte black alloys provide a nice contrast against that bright yellow paintwork. The sliding glass roof, which comes with the launch edition of the vehicle, provides a nice amount of air and a light into the cabin. To the rear, the reversing camera means that any obstacles behind you can be very easily spotted, and this works nicely in conjunction with the front and rear parking sensors. These darkened matrix LED headlights provide plenty of light no matter what time of day or no matter what the weather condition, and they can also adapt the beam, so if there's a car coming towards you, it can dip the beam automatically. In the boot, there's plenty of space for those golf clubs. You can also get those seat cases in there, as well as those push chairs, and once those rear seats are folded, you can get larger and longer items in the back of the vehicle very easily. Furthermore, for keeping the boot clean, there's also a 12-volt socket, so you can easily plug a handheld hoover into it. In the back, we've got 3 spacious seats. The outer 2 come with ISOFIX points, making this the perfect family car, and the rear seats do fold 40-20-40, meaning you can easily get those larger and longer items through the back. As you can see, the panoramic roof provides plenty of light into the cabin, and the third zone climate control means that those passengers in the back can be at the temperature they like, and they can also have their devices charged with the 2 lightning connectors. In the front, we've got plenty of high quality materials on display, as you'd expect from an RS3. So we do have the carbon trim along the dashboard and these fine Napa leather seats, which are really comfortable, really supportive, especially with the amount of adjustment in them as they are fully electric. And 4-way lumbar adjustment means that it's very comfortable even on the longest of drives, which is perfect what you want in this vehicle. And the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system with 3D sound means that those treble and bass notes can be heard with clarity like never before. The 3-spoke leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel feels nice to touch and has all the important buttons right at your fingertips. So on the left, we've got the controls for Audi's virtual cockpit, which is your digital dash screen. Below that, we've got our adaptive cruise control, which can also stop and start you in traffic and can maintain a safe distance between your car and the vehicle in front of you. To the right-hand side of the steering wheel then, we've got our media controls, as well as our all-important RS button, which can control the dynamics of the vehicle. Sat behind that then is Audi's famous virtual cockpit, and this is your digital dash screen, where you can see a variety of different screens. As you can see at the moment, it's showing you the nav. As part of the Launch Edition package, you do also get a heads-up display, which you can change through the different settings, and you can turn it off completely if you choose. Satellite navigation means that home is never too far away. You can also find key destinations, such as your nearest parking or your nearest Audi service centre. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto provide easy connectivity up to a mobile device, so you can do things such as send and receive texts, and you can also use Spotify and Google Maps whilst on the move. Audi's Drive Select is more advanced in this vehicle, so it includes RS Individual and RS Performance, alongside the Torque rear there, where you can get the vehicle power sliding should you ever choose to do so. However, this is not recommended on public roads. This vehicle also comes with the extended LED interior lighting pack, so you can choose some pre-selected colours there that Audi have chosen for you, or you can go through a list of 30 different colours there for your surfaces and contours to choose the perfect mood of the vehicle. Furthermore, the reversing camera provides plenty of vision to the rear of the vehicle and works in conjunction nicely with the front and rear parking sensors. And Park Assist means you can very easily get into and out of those parking spaces, making life much simpler. Then below that, if we have a look at our 3-zone climate control, this means that everybody in the vehicle can be comfortable at all times, and the heated front seats are perfect for those chilly winter mornings, especially on those drives to work. You do get a wireless mobile charger there, so you just rest your mobile phone on the pad and it charges whilst on the move, and 2 USB-C sockets provide plenty of charging if you decide not to use the wireless function.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 12 months warranty, 12 months roadside assistance and much more. For more information or to book a test drive with us, contact us now on 01785 899 417 or contact us online.